In this video, Adell and I are going to have the first independent taste in Asia Pacific of Van Houten Ruby chocolate drink. My name is Marc Donaldson of Cacao to Chocolate, and I have 38 years of experience in the chocolate industry. So, Adell, how many types of chocolate are there?
Black, white, milk chocolate?
Nearly right, nearly right. 3 years ago, Barry Callebaut introduced and launched Ruby milk chocolate. Now, Ruby chocolate is an amazing product because its color comes directly from the cocoa beans that it's made from. So it doesn't have any color, any flavorings.
No fruits in it?
Nope.
Really?
Yep.
That is amazing.
So you've never tasted this product before.
No.
So would you like to try?
Yeah, sure.
Off
Definitely.
you go. Off you go.
It's very sweet.
Mm-hmm.
It has quite a strong fruity taste.
Mm-hmm. Wait for it. Patience. Patience is everything in chocolate tasting.
Yes. It slowly has a little bit of sour notes in it. But it's just very little, very subtle.
So do you think that's balanced in your mouth? Do you like that?
Yes, actually, I like it very much. It's almost like tasting chocolate with raspberry flavor in it.
That's right. But there's no raspberry in it, just cocoa.
This is really amazing, yeah.
So after they launched Ruby chocolate, they decided to develop a drinking product from it, okay? Under the Van Houten brand.
Okay.
Which is Dutch. So this product here is the Ruby chocolate drink. And they say that this has got 94% of chocolate from here in here, okay?
Right.
So I've made this up according to the instructions on the books.
Okay.
And it says it should have an intense fruit flavor with a little sourness. So shall we see if they can achieve that?
Yeah. It's actually very thick.
Yeah. It smells really nice. It's got a lovely fruity aroma to it. So Adell, what do you think? I haven't tried it yet either.
It's very milky. It still has that fruity taste. The sour note actually comes quite a little bit, just now started to come in, the sour notes. Yeah.
So I get the fruit before the milk, but then I get the milk, okay? I haven't got I'm getting the sourness now. I'm getting the sourness.
It kind
now.
of like comes a little bit after, right?
Yeah, that's really pleasant, okay? I didn't know whether I was going to like this or not because it looks as though it should be very sweet and...
can I just make a comparison?
Yes, of course you
having
can.
the chocolate again?
Yeah.
This is definitely has a sweeter taste because this has been prepared in milk, right? But yeah, I must say that they're quite similar.
So, cheers. And that's how you taste Ruby milk chocolate drink.